Hello, I'm Robert Galla, and welcome to this Cutting Edge Tooling Product Highlight. Anvil adjustment is one of the most crucial parts of saw mill alignment, but it can also be one of the most time-consuming parts of the process, costing the mill time and creating a potential safety hazard for the millwrights. To combat this time consumption and safety hazard, we've designed and patented an in-place Anvil adjustment system that takes less time, gives less frustration, and can take the guesswork out of adjusting anvils. Come on, let me show you how it works. Each adjuster is comprised of the adjuster itself, the socket head cap screw, adjuster cap, set screw, and our patented wrench. The adjuster is made to fit common size bolts and works with your current bolt pattern. With the adjuster threaded into the anvil, and the bolt lightly affixed to the machine, we can adjust the anvil with our wrench. This wrench is especially designed for accuracy and has marks to make adjustments easy and precise. Each line denotes 5/1000 of an inch. We have placed a mark on the anvil as a reference, and as you can see, each mark turned on the wrench is 5/1000 of an inch adjusted. After the anvil is adjusted, the cap is threaded onto the anvil to just below flush. And the set screw is tight. I know that since I'm on the internet, it may seem that I'm too famous to reach. You can contact me, visit us on our website, or contact David Jr.